Now, do you feel any change in the anxiety?
Yeah, like kind of like feels lighter.
You feel lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull some out of there.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's so cool. Oh my God.
Yeah. So I'm gonna actually start in the abdomen area because that's what's calling my attention most.
Okay.
And then we'll work up our way to here.
Okay.
So let's see. And yeah, the energy is moving up to the throat area. And just let me know if you can feel any like sensation or tingly, and some people can feel some temperature change. Or
Too, my stomach feels like really tingly.
yeah, super tingly. Yeah, good. Yeah, now it's moving up into this area too.
I feel it like right here now.
Yeah,
So weird.
yeah.